Hello and welcome to this educational video on how to detoxify your lungs if you are a smoker. First and foremost, it's important to understand that the best way to detoxify your lungs is to stop smoking altogether. Quitting smoking can significantly improve your lung function and overall health. If you are struggling to quit smoking, it's important to seek support from friends, family, or healthcare professionals. However, if you are unable to quit smoking at this time, there are some steps you can take to help detoxify your lungs. Exercise regularly. Physical activity can help clear mucus and other substances from your lungs, improving your lung function. Drink plenty of water. Water helps to thin mucus and flush toxins out of your body. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Eat a healthy diet. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables can help to improve your lung function and support the natural detoxification process. Get plenty of rest. Proper rest and sleep can help your body repair and regenerate, including your lungs. Use a humidifier. A humidifier can help to add moisture to the air, which can help to loosen mucus and make it easier to clear from your lungs. Try deep breathing exercises. Deep breathing exercises can help to improve your lung function and clear mucus from your airways. Consider using supplements. Some supplements, such as vitamin C and N-acetylcysteine, may help to support the detoxification process in your lungs. It's important to speak with a healthcare professional before taking any supplements. Remember, the most effective way to detoxify your lungs is to stop smoking altogether. If you are struggling to quit, seek support from friends, family, or healthcare professionals. By taking these steps and making healthy lifestyle choices, you can help to support the natural detoxification process in your lungs.